Hi everybody, and welcome into this video. I'm currently in the Thrive Pavilion home world, so come check that out. But I'm going to show you how you link the VRChat account that I just had you make in the previous video with the Meta account that you currently have. So I just made this brand new Meta profile and everything for this video, but you're going to open up your Launchpad by using the left Oculus button, otherwise known as the button with the 3 lines on your left controller. It's indented. It's going to pull up your Launchpad. You're going to click either Worlds or Avatars, Social, just anything to pull up this big menu in front of you. Then you're going to click the Settings gear up there on the top right. Then you're going to come over here to where it says Link Account. Now it's going to give you 2 options: upgrade to a VRChat account or link to an existing VRChat account. If you followed my other video, because we already made a VRChat account, you would click this option. If you have not yet made the VRChat account, you need to click this option. So in my instance, we're going to go to link existing. It's going to click start link, and then you're going to get a merge token. You're going to copy this to the clipboard, and then you're going to click next. Then you're going to click launch website, and you're going to click yup, let's go. It's going to bring up in your headset the VRChat website, and then you enter the login details that you did when you made your VRChat account. And I was typing in the email address wrong. Alrighty, and then the password that I chose is Thrive #1234. And then after you type in your email and your password, you're going to click login. Okay, now for me, it sends an email code that I have to type in. It's going to probably give that to you too. So that was my email code. Okay, now it's going to bring up this. You just close that. Now here it's going to bring up this page, account link. One thing that you do need to know is that if you have favorite avatars, those will merge over. So if you've been doing worlds and stuff like that, all of that stuff will come over. It may take a sec. If for some reason you're merging an account that has VRChat Plus into another account that also has VRChat Plus, the resultant account would have double VRChat Plus, which confers exactly one benefit. It is twice as expensive. We would strongly encourage you not to do this, even if you like spending money for no reason. Please cancel one of the 2 of your VRChat Pluses before you continue. So if you have VRChat Plus on your Meta account, either cancel that, or if you have it on your if you have it on both. If you got the VRChat account and you have VRChat Plus on that and you also have it on the Meta, you want to cancel those. But it is a permanent thing, so you can't unmerge once you've merged. So after you've gone through all that, you'll click on this box here that says merge token. You're going to press and hold where it says that, and then click paste. This is the merge token. So now you're going to click merge accounts. Okay, so now the accounts are successfully merged. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of here. Now you can see it still says test account. Now we have to log out of that account. And then I have to log back in. Now, instead of clicking Meta to log in, you want to click where it says VRChat. And then I'm gonna type in that same email, which is Thrive @gmail.com. And then the password which you set up when you made your VRChat account, which mine happens to be Thrive. Okay, and again, it's going to give me another code. It does that. Which, in all honesty, you want it to do that. It's more protected, you know, for yourself, so people can't get into your account, and you know that they can't get into your account. Okay, so it's going to have you go through the privacy policy. You can read this if you want. I'm not going to. I've already read it. Alrighty, and now it's going to put me in the VRChat home world, but as you can see, my username has now changed to the one that I set up when I made the VRChat account in the previous video. So that is how you successfully merge and link your two VRChat accounts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.